Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cora from OBD channel. As a Leaf owner, you must know we can use the OBD2 and the Leafspy to check the battery status. But some of you guys don't know what are them and how to use them. So today in this video, I'm going to tell you something about OBD2 and the Leafspy. So the first thing we are going to need is the OBD2. It stands for Onboard Diagnostics. It looks like this. It's a little plug to go into the vehicle and get certain information about your battery. It has two versions of this kind of OBD2, the Bluetooth version and the Wi-Fi version. I recommend you to get the Bluetooth version so you can use it whenever you want and only need to connect the Bluetooth first. I just said when the battery is inside of the car, so what about when the battery is outside of the car? Can we still use it? Yes, definitely, because we have this. This is the adapter. This kind of adapter can connect the battery pack directly. So you just need to plug this OBD2 into this connector. Then you can just plug it into the signal holders of the battery so you can get the information of the battery. There are two adapters here. The 22-pin adapter is for ZE0, the first generation. And the 36-pin adapter is for AZE0 and the ZE1. So basically this kind of adapter can suitable for all the Leafs. So with this adapter, you can check the battery status, whatever when the battery is inside of the car and outside of the car. That's the difference between our OBD2 and the ones on the market. So if you want to buy a new battery pack or use the battery pack, you can just get this kind of OBD2 with adapters to check the battery first. I will put the link in the description below. So the next thing you are going to need is the app, Leafspy Pro. The app works on Android or iOS, but there's a little tips I want to tell you. If you download the app on the iPhone, you will pay about $20. But if you download it on the Android phone, it is free of charge. So if you don't want to spend money on the app, you can just use your Android phone. Yeah. Alright, so when you're doing the test, you will see this interface on Leafspy. You can get a lot of information here. At the top, you can see the ampere hours is 180 ampere hour. SOH means state of health is 100%. People always talk about how healthy is the battery. This is it. It's really important to check. The HX is the conductance of the battery, is 97.6%, and the voltage here is 354.25 watt. And you can see the graph in the middle. Each line is a battery cell. There are 96 lines in total, because one battery pack includes 96 pieces of battery cells. 21 milliwatt is the voltage difference, the difference between lowest battery cells and the highest battery cells. It's also really important to check. And here you can get the information about the minimum voltage, average voltage, and the maximum voltage. At the bottom, you can see the SOC or state of charge here. And this is exactly how much power is left in your battery. Alright, so next I'm going to show with you how exactly to use them to check the battery status when the battery is inside of the car and outside of the car. Alright, so this is our 50 kilowatt hour battery pack. So I'm going to show with you how to use the OBD2 to check the battery performance. Let's go. Since this is the battery pack for Nissan Leaf AZE0, so we are going to use this 36-pin adapter to do the test. So first, connect the adapter to the signal holders of the battery. And then connect it to the power source. Yeah, this is the power source we made ourselves. If you don't have this kind of power source, you can also use the 12-watt battery. Just connect like this. The red one goes to the positive and the black one goes to the negative. Just like this. And since this is the Bluetooth version, so make sure you have already turned on the Bluetooth and connected the Bluetooth first before you do the test. Once you open the app, you will see something like this. So just press the button here to choose the device. Choose the Bluetooth. Alright. So now you can see it's turned green. It tells you it has already connected. So you can see the information here. So you can see the capacity of the cell is 140 ampere hour. SOH is 100%. The voltage is 350 watt. SOC is 41%. And the voltage difference is 19 milliwatt. That's perfect. So you can press the button here to check something else. Alright, so this is all the data. Alright, so this is our Nissan Leaf AZE0. So I'm going to show with you how to use this OBD to check the battery status. Let's go. So we don't need the adapters anymore. We just use this adapter to plug it into the OBD port. The OBD port is located here. It's a panel here. We just opened it already, so just use it to plug it in. Okay. So next is to turn on the car. Once you turn on the car, the first step is to connect the Bluetooth to the OBD2. So just turn on the Bluetooth and connect the Bluetooth to the OBD2 first. So once you connect the Bluetooth and open the Leafspy, you can see something like this. Just press the button here to set something. You can choose the language here, and you make sure you have choose the correct model year. Then you just back to the main screen and press the button here to select the device. Alright, it's already connected. So now you can see the information here. You can see the SOH is 100%, and the voltage here is 346 watt. The SOC is 33%. The voltage difference is 27 milliwatt. And you can press the button here to see something else. Okay, so that's all the data.